Welcome to Computer Science Play Tutorials. Today let us discuss about semi-supervised learning. In previous classes we have seen about supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So what is semi-supervised learning? Why we use semi-supervised learning? Let's see why we use semi-supervised learning. In supervised learning, the drawback is all the training data, all the data need to be labeled. It is very complex task. Of course, its accuracy is more, but labeling all the training data requires a lot of back work. And what is the drawback of unsupervised learning? Here, we are not providing label data, we are providing unlabeled data. Algorithm needs to needs to derive the patterns from the unlabeled data, so the accuracy may be less compared to supervised learning. Semi-supervised learning is in middle of supervised learning and unsupervised learning. So even it acts as reinforcement, it is also called as reinforcement learning. Let's see how it works. In semi-supervised learning, there is an agent, an environment. When agent interacts with the environment, performs some action and gets some reward or penalty. And state change occurs to the environment. State change occurs to the environment. Agent performs an action and environment states got changed and we get some reward or penalty. Based on reward or penalty, we will make our next move. This is the working of semi-supervised learning. To understand clearly, see this example. For example, this is a game, a board game like Vaikunt Pali. We are starting here, initial state, and we need to reach our goal. This is final state. Now the question is how to reach from initial state to final state at less effort. To know this, we have to analyze all these points. Here R represents reward, means we go we go forward very faster, in a very faster way. And P represents penalty, means we we drop down from our current state to the backward state. So this is penalty. Here we have to make the move such that we go to the goal state in a faster way. That means we have to step into the state that is reward state and we have to escape the penalty state. This is possible by using reinforced learning. So initially we have only numbers: goal state, initial state, and these are numbers. And we have some arrow marks like this. So when we go to step 2, we get penalty, we get reward. So we marked that this is reward point. When we go to, for example, this is 11. Point 11, we have penalty. So we mark this point as penalty. This is called, this entire example represents the single point. We are making unlabeled data as labeled data, like that. Here initially we have only initial state, goal state, and numbers and arrow marks. When we going forward, when we make some move and get some result, we are marking that this is as reward point, this is as penalty point. This is called semi-supervised learning. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Please encourage my work. Please do watch my next videos too to understand the machine learning concepts very clearly. Thank you.